Yeah! PSVR 2 is finally here! I'm Sachthemotive, let me motivate you! I've been waiting for this for a long time. Look, they got cameras on the front, the controllers look mad! Can't wait! I can't wait! Oh, I'm excited, guys. Look at that. So basically, in the white, you can see it much better. That's how it's gonna look. This is the official PlayStation.com site. Those are the Joy-Cons. Those are gonna be amazing to hold. They look so comfortable. I love it. I love it. Alright. First things first, you got the cameras in the front. So in the first one, people were complaining that, you know, it wasn't detecting you right because of the motion little bar or whatnot. This is cameras, so there's gonna be no problem. This is gonna be mad. The upgrade levels are crazy on this, alright? I actually can't wait. I don't know when it's released yet, but we'll check into that. But there are those pads, man. Look at this. Oh, it's gonna, you know what, they actually feel, maybe they feel like little guns and stuff so you can hold them, and I really like it. I hope it's comfortable to hold. It looks comfortable to hold just looking at that, but I can't wait to get my hands on one. I ain't gonna lie, I'm buying one straight away. Let's check out, they got oh man, Horizon VR. I'm gonna quickly click this. Oh, insane. I can't wait. So that's gonna be the inside of it. I'll show you the specs soon. So check the specs out, right? I think there's these are all basically the specs of the thing. OLED. Alright guys, my excitement levels are through the roof. I'm gonna see what it says when you say find out more. Maybe they've already got it. No they haven't. I just got that. I like this. This looks like an actual real gun that you just shoot. It's probably gonna have haptic feedback and everything on there, you know that. PlayStation VR 2 is finally here! Oh, let's go! Come on! Guys, like, share, subscribe, comment below. Sachthemotive, motivate you. I can't wait to get my hands on this. Let's go!